Click on the plus button and take a custom size of 8.5 inches to create children's storybook by using Canva Ai tool for text to image. To add an image to your storybook, click the plus button and then select Elements. Scroll down to find the AI tool option and then create beautiful illustrations for your children's storybook. For example, I searched for this short story on Google. You may write the story by yourself and then create a book. For the first image of my story, copy this text as a prompt. After describing the image you want, click Create Your Image. Four images are generated. Choose one of your choice. Go back and create another image for your storybook. In this way, you can add all images for your storybook. Then you write your story on these pages. Change the font Celandine or the font you like. You can put the text on the image according to your choice. By using this Canva Ai tool, you can easily create illustrations for your storybook. You may select any style or aspect ratio.